in terms of our competitors, we would have Old Mutual and Zimnat with their alliance with Sanlam of South Africa. Those companies now, because they have to report or to conform to what they get from their principals outside the country, they are not as agile as Fidelity is, right? We can, at a moment's notice, uh, respond to the needs of the market. So you find what some of the things that we have going for us is we came up with a product called Vaka Yako. It's basically an investment product, but we said, given our history, we want the underlying promise of that asset to be a residential stand or a house, so that people can really think I'm investing uh, towards having a property of my own. From a cultural point of view, Zimbabweans tend to value education and a place to live. So for us to come up with a product, it's something that our competitors can maybe not be so agile to respond and also offer something similar. As we speak, we are also now going into even biological assets to say part of your policy or your investment is actually in a head of cattle. Again, if you know our culture, you know we value cattle as a store of wealth. So it is this ability to come up with very innovative products that speak to what is on the ground, where our competitive advantage lies, and also to the fact that we are able to offer a whole range of services under one roof. So you don't have to go for your medical insurance elsewhere or funeral uh, services and policies elsewhere and your pension elsewhere. You can get everything under one roof as Fidelity. And I also want to believe that as we're not too big, we're not too small. That allows us to have a greater client focus. Well, maybe it's also my philosophy coming again from a marketing background, but I believe even the CEO, if need be, if not, in fact, that's part of his job. You should be out there. You meet your clients, whether prospective or existing. Whereas for some, the best that can be assigned to you is a very senior business relationship manager. We are saying, at times, that's not enough focus. We believe in really to say some of the things I would want to hear firsthand from the clients. So we are out there. We don't believe that there are people who are too big to not to leave their offices and go to the market and to meet clients. So we constantly are told that as Fidelity, we are more responsive and accessible to all stakeholders, not least of which are our clients.